Summer is just around the corner, and there's one question heating up every household. Which AC should I buy that cools the room without burning my wallet? In today's video, we're comparing air conditioners from LG, Samsung, and Bosch, three giants in the world of cooling technology. Can smart technology really turn your home into a personal oasis with just a single tap? Let's find out. If you're planning to buy an AC and wondering what's the smartest choice for my home, this video is made just for you. Stay with us till the end, because we've got a small but valuable surprise for all smart buyers out there. Ready? Let's dive in. LG's air conditioner doesn't just cool the air. It understands you. With AI dual inverter technology, it cools faster while saving energy. Its ultra-quiet operation and Wi-Fi remote control let you feel the chill before you even get home. But the real question is this smart tech worth it? Samsung combines sleek design with cutting-edge tech. Its wind-free technology provides a cool breeze without the blast. No direct airflow, just evenly spread comfort. Plus, it uses eco-friendly R32 refrigerant, making it a smart choice for the planet. Could Samsung's silent coolness be your perfect match? When you think Bosch, you think precision and trustworthiness. Their air conditioners reflect this philosophy. With A++ energy efficiency and whisper quiet operation, it's like it's not even there. Bosch's strength lies in durability and longevity. But it's a bit more classic in approach. Do you think that's enough? Three giants, three different approaches. One smart, one stylish, one built to last. So, which air conditioner fits your lifestyle? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and in our next video, we'll explore your picks. Don't forget to subscribe and like. More cool tech content is coming your way on TechScopetvChannel.